Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to compress a PDF file that might be very large in size up to 90%, so we can go from, let's say, 45 all the way to 4.5 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a file that is very huge in size. Let's now turn the attention to the file on the desktop, which is called file to be compressed.pdf. Let's right click, get information, and there we see we now want to compress this file to about 90% reduction, so we are left with 10% of the original file, and we will not lose information, typography, everything will still be crystal clear. So we can now quit out of get information. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to your web browser, which is Safari in this case, search for PDF compressor, enter, click on pdfcompressor.com, and this website will allow us to compress files and reduce them by 90% of the original. So let's click on upload file, or we can drag and drop. Let's take file to be compressed.pdf, drop the file, and now that's uploading. Will take some time really depending on your internet connection. So we can now just focus on what is happening on screen. Let that upload. Once it does, we will download after we compress. And so the file itself has been uploaded and compressed. Let's now download the original. After it has been compressed, download. Do you want to allow downloads? Yes, we do. And so let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder, go to Downloads. Let's now move the file to the desktop. Minimize Finder for the moment. So the original, let's just open this up with Preview. Now let's open up the file that we have compressed and downloaded. So let's open with Preview, and there you go. Let's now quit Preview. Let's now right click, get information from the first. Let's do that to the second, get information. And there we go. We have reduced this by 99%. So let's now quit, get information once, twice. Let's quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.